Hi everyone, Melanie from Leaf here. I want to show you through some of the updates and improvements we've made to the site over the last 6 months and to introduce you to our really exciting new service, which is the fixed price delivery run that has started for Southeast Queensland florists. Firstly, let me just show you how you can search by the different attributes. Now, as more product comes onto the site, more filters are needed for you to find your product quickly and easily. So that's why we've broken it down into all of these different categories for you. You can also search by colour, stem length, leaf type, bloom type. There's also the grower origin. So if you've got a particular grower that you love their products, just jump on and see what they've got on here for you. Now, for those of you who know exactly what it is that you're after, breed names are also on here now. These are all of the different suppliers that we have on board to date, and of course maximum price. Now, the fixed freight delivery run. This is amazing. What we have done is group together 9 suppliers, with more to come, together so that you can buy from any or all of them for one low fixed delivery fee. We collect from all of them in refrigerated vehicles, sort in Brisbane, and deliver out again in refrigerated vehicles to your door. So let's do an order so I can show you through the process. So I'm logged in here as a florist. I go to suppliers list. They're all in their states, but let's go to fixed delivery offered. So these are all of the different suppliers that we can buy from for one low fixed fee. So let's start in prime flowers, for example. Okay, lots of gorgeous lilies. Let's have a look. Oh, white oris. Okay, so I want 10 bunches of those. Okay, add to cart. Now, if you want more than 10, you can just go to the checkout and up your quantity order right there. Okay, so great. I've got my white oris. Let's go back and see what else is on offer. Terrain plantation, great, beautiful product. All right, let's go with a box lot. So we've got a little bit of everything there. Take 2 of those. Wonderful. Now, all right, let's go to Redlands. Now, you can always search by all the pretty pictures, but if you are in a particular hurry one day, let's just go to list view. I know what they all are. Amaranthus, yes, I know I need those. 2 bunches of those, great. Now, I also know that I do need roses, so let's have a look for them there. Okay, they're all the Yep. I am after, there it is, mother of pearl. Okay, so I'm going to get 2 bunches, so that they're 25 stem bunches, so I'm getting 50 stems in total. Now let me just show you this. The fixed price delivery is $35 to this particular florist, so that is for any or all of the 9 suppliers. If, for example, she wanted to buy from a supplier on a different day of the week, so that freight fee there is what they would charge Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay, so I am now done. Let's go to checkout. All right, so there's just a few terms and conditions that we have to have a look at first before we agree. So this is just about cut-off times for deliveries. If you have any issues with the stock, you need to raise that with the relevant supplier, and just checking that the nominated address that you registered with is the delivery address. Make sure of that as well. So there's the tick box. We're doing fixed delivery and we want it on the 27th. Now, I do have a message for Redlands flowers. Okay, to substitute green amaranthus if burgundy unavailable, as these things sometimes happen. Please call me on 0411. Okay, purchase. Credit card numbers in there. It is a secured site, and that is it. So that goes off to your supplier where they pick and pack. You get a copy of your order too, so you know exactly what it is that you've ordered. So this is designed to not only make your life easier, but to also put you within reach of more options so that you can choose your best deal. I look forward to speaking with more of you very soon. We value your feedback and want to keep building out a platform you'll love. Now, if you've logged on and found that you're not on the freight run, please do let me know. We've managed over the last few days to get another 5 florists onto the run. I will do my best for you and see what is possible. Thanks so much. Chat soon. Bye.